Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw 6-7 from Steel Up Brainrot. So first let's get started with our eyes. So on the left hand side we're going to start by drawing in a nice big oval. And then we're going to flip over, lining it up at the same height on the right hand side, and we're going to replicate that. Now in the center of both of these ovals we're going to draw in a circle for the pupil. Let's move up now. On the top right corner, we're going to draw in a circle for the highlight of the eye. We're going to flip over on the right-hand side, drawing in our circle on the top left. And then we're just going to color in our pupils black. Let's come across now and draw in the numbers. So right on the right hand side of this in the center, we're going to draw in a circle for the middle of the number 6. We're going to move up above, we're going to curve this line up and then down on the right. Let's flatten this line out. So we're going to bring this line across towards the center. Let's move up above. We're going to continue to curve this line around and then through on the bottom. Let's start on the top. We're going to curve this line up and over towards the middle. We're going to continue to bring this around. So we're going to curve this around and down on the left hand side. And then to close off the number 6, we're just going to curve this back around and through towards the bottom. Let's draw on the number 7 now. So coming beside this, lining this up at the same height, we're going to draw on a straight line that comes directly up towards the top. We're going to flatten this line out, bringing this straight across towards our right eye. And then we're going to bring our diagonal line out for the bottom of the 7 towards the middle. Let's flatten this out on the bottom. So we're going to bring this over and through towards the right. Let's start on the top. We're going to flatten this line out, bringing this over towards the right hand side. Let's draw on a straight line from that corner that comes down towards the bottom. And then from that corner, we're going to connect this with a diagonal line, bringing this down towards the bottom. Let's draw on our arms. So we're going to draw a diagonal line that comes out from the 6. We're going to draw 2, ending those at the same height. We're going to flatten this out. So we're going to draw on a straight line that comes directly across on the top. And then we're going to move up and replicate that on the inside of the arm. Let's draw in 2 straight lines that come down, ending those at the same height. We're going to close this off with another straight line. We're just going to extend this further up for the thumb, bringing this all the way through and down towards the bottom. Let's start on the top here. We're going to bring this straight line out. Let's step through, leaving a gap. We're going to replicate that, making that slightly longer. We'll do the same as we move down here. Let's close these off. So on the top, we're going to bring the straight line down. We're going to do the same right in the center. Let's close off the thumb. So we're going to bring this line up towards the top, ending it at the same height as this one on the outside. And then we're going to flatten that out by bringing this line across. Let's move down again for the fingers. So we're going to draw in another straight line coming down, and then we're going to close that off by bringing that in towards the center finger. And then coming down again, we're going to draw in a small line that comes out on the side, and then we're going to bring this line down and across towards the side of our hand. Let's draw in our right arm. So stepping up on the 7, we're going to draw a diagonal line coming out. Let's move down, replicating that, ending that at the same height. We're going to extend this through with a straight line coming directly out. And then let's move up again and replicate that on the inside of the arm. Let's move down again. We're going to draw in another straight line, making this one longer. So we're going to bring this over and through towards the side. Let's close this off on the side here. So we're going to draw in a straight line that comes down on the top and bottom. Now let's draw in our fingers. So on the side here, we're going to bring this line directly out. We're going to step across, stepping up, replicating that, ending that slightly longer. Let's close off the thumb. We're going to bring this line out towards the side, ending that at the same height as the line on the top. And then we're going to close that off with a straight line on the bottom. Let's step down. We're going to draw this line at the same size for the center finger. Let's close this off on the top. And then we're going to close this off right in the center. Let's move down. We're going to line this line up at the same height, bringing that out. And then we're going to bring this line down. And then for our last finger, we're going to draw in another line that comes out, ending that at the same width as the hand on the top. And then we're going to close that off with a straight line. Let's move in and draw in our legs now. So on the left-hand side, we're going to draw in 2 straight lines that come directly down towards the bottom. We're going to move over on the right-hand side, replicating that, and we're just going to end that at the same height. Now let's close this off on the bottom with a slight curved line from left to right. Let's move up. On the top, we're going to curve this line over. And then moving down again, leaving a gap. Let's replicate that. Let's move down again for the feet. We're going to draw in a straight line that comes directly across. Now on the bottom, let's draw in a straight line that comes down for the bottom of the foot. From that inside corner now, let's draw a diagonal line that comes out. We're going to step out on the top line here, replicating that, ending that at the same height as the line on the inside. And then we're going to close that off with a straight line coming across. Now on the inside corner, let's bring this line down towards the bottom. And then again, we're going to close this off with another diagonal line coming in towards the back. Let's step over on the outside. Let's draw in a straight line that comes down. And then again from here, we're going to close this off with a straight line directly on the bottom. Let's move in towards the middle now. We're going to draw in a straight line that comes directly across. And then we're going to replicate that on the side on a diagonal, bringing that over. Lastly now, let's draw in our ankles. So on the inside, we're going to draw in a straight line that comes up. We're going to curve that in towards the back of our leg. And then we're going to step over again, bringing that line straight up towards the top. And then again from that corner, just curving this in towards the leg. And that is it. That's how you draw 6-7 from Steal a Brainrot. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I'll see you all on the next one.